talking about what is a logarithm. So the exact definition of a logarithm is, in mathematics, the logarithm is the inverse function to exponentation. That means that the logarithm of a number x to the base of b is the exponent to which b must be raised to produce x. So what this means is, let's say we have an exponent. So we have 2 to the power of 2, right? So we know that equals 4. Right. So what a logarithm is instead of finding the value of this exponent, we're finding the value of this number. So if we did 2 to the power of x equals 4, what is x? So we know that 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So that means that 2 to the power of, so that means that x is equal to 2. Okay. So let me write what the format of writing a logarithm is. So first you write log, L-O-G. Then we have the base. We have the product. Or this is the logarithm of this. And then we have like the answer, right? So let's just say this is x. Right? So log base b of a is equal to x. Right? So let's go back to the 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. So in this situation, it would be log base 2, 4 is equal to 2. Because remember, we do this number to the power of this number. So that would be 2 to the power of 2 equals this number, right? This one right here. So that'd be equal to 4. So let's try like a different example, right? Let me just erase all this. Let's use like more complicated numbers. Let's go with 3 to the power of negative 2. Alright, so let's first solve that. We have 1 over 3 squared, because it's negative, equals 1/9. Right? So let's use what we learned about the logarithm. So this is the number that we're taking the log of. This is the base, which means that this will be the answer. Let's write that in log form. Log base 3, right? This number right here. This number right here. 1/9, the answer to our exponent, is equal to, what to the power of 3 is equal to 1/9? Negative 2. So that means that log base 3 1/9 is equal to negative 2. In the next videos, we'll be talking about natural log, which is just like ln, right? And then we'll talk about if we take log base, like let's say 100, without a base, what does that mean, right? So this is just an introduction to log. So that the log, let's put it in this format as one final reminder. Log base b of a equals x is just equal to log to b to the power of x is equal to a. And we'll talk about logarithmic functions too. So thank you guys for listening, and we'll see you in the next one.